Abe, so good to see you.
Hi, Madeline. Hello.
Before you joined the coaching program, where were you at in your job search?
So I was working for Meta, and you probably saw in the news that there were some big waves of layoffs. When it first happened, I found it really helpful to take a beat and just think about, all right, before I even get to what's next, I need to think about just what's really next in terms of getting my head into a good place right now. I wanted some help getting the train on the tracks.
When you then got the coaching, what were some of your key breakthroughs that you had?
It helped me think about what is actually important to me. It also helped me with confidence. I know who I am. I know what's important to me. I know the places where I shine, and therefore I also know like what kind of value I can offer. And it also helped me in terms of getting into some feedback that I needed in order to get from sort of getting the interviews, which we know is of course really important, but then actually making it happen at the end.
What were your results?
Before I got to the final result, it was multiple offers, which was a great position to be in. And it allowed me to be really thoughtful about, okay, what are my different trade offs? What feels important, not just like what's on paper and like on the exercises that I did in the program, but what's feeling important? What's the vibe I'm getting from each company? So that was a very privileged position to be in. And then the ultimate result was that I landed this wonderful business development lead job in media tech, which is kind of my specialty at Adobe. Fantastic company. And as I'm finding just in these first few weeks, really fantastic group of people. I couldn't have predicted that, but it was one of the things that was important to me, and it's worked out really well.